Welcome to Possible Medico Walla. Today we are going to do 2025's most expected 25 key blood MCQs, so let's go. What is the primary function of red blood cells? Option A, fight infections. Option B, carry oxygen. Option C, clot the blood. Option D, regulate blood pressure. Answer B, carry oxygen. RBCs contain hemoglobin, a protein that binds to oxygen in the lungs and transports it to tissues throughout the body. What component of blood is responsible for clotting? Option A, white blood cells. Option B, red blood cells. Option C, platelets. Option D, plasma. Answer C, platelets. Platelets, or thrombocytes, are involved in the formation of blood clots to prevent excessive bleeding. Which of the following is the main function of plasma proteins? Option A, provide immunity. Option B, transport oxygen. Option C, maintain blood pressure and volume. Option D, form blood clots. Answer C, maintain blood pressure and volume. Plasma proteins such as albumin help maintain the osmotic pressure of blood and regulate fluid balance. Which type of white blood cell is responsible for antibody production? Option A, neutrophils. Option B, eosinophils. Option C, B lymphocytes. Option D, T lymphocytes. Answer B lymphocytes. B lymphocytes, B cells, produce antibodies, which are essential for identifying and neutralizing pathogens. The process by which white blood cells engulf and digest pathogens is called Option A, phagocytosis. Option B, hemolysis. Option C, chemotaxis. Option D, hemostasis. Answer, phagocytosis. Phagocytosis is the process by which white blood cells, such as neutrophils and macrophages, ingest and destroy foreign particles like bacteria. Which blood component is involved in the immune response to viruses? Option A, neutrophils. Option B, lymphocytes. Option C, platelets. Option D, erythrocytes. Answer, lymphocytes. Lymphocytes, particularly T cells and B cells, are involved in the immune response against viruses by recognizing and destroying infected cells. What is the lifespan of a typical red blood cell? Option A, 10 to 20 days. Option B, 60 to 90 days. Option C, 120 days. Option D, to 40 days. Answer, 120 days. RBCs have a lifespan of approximately 120 days before they are removed from circulation by the spleen. The Rh factor in blood is important in Option A, blood clotting. Option B, blood typing. Option C, oxygen transport. Option D, hormone production. Answer, blood typing. The Rh factor is an antigen on red blood cells, and its presence or absence determines whether a person's blood type is positive or negative, example O positive or O negative. Which of the following is the primary cause of anemia? Option A, excessive bleeding. Option B, iron deficiency. Option C, leukemia. Option D, blood clotting disorders. Answer, iron deficiency. Iron deficiency leads to a decrease in hemoglobin production, resulting in anemia, which causes fatigue and weakness. Which of the following blood type is considered the universal donor for red blood cells? Option A, AB positive. Option B, AB negative. Option C, O positive. Option D, O negative. Answer O negative. Blood type O negative is the universal donor because it does not have A, B, or Rh antigens on its RBCs, making it compatible with all other blood types. Which of the following is not a function of blood? Option A, transport nutrients. Option B, provide immunity. Option C, produce enzymes. Option D, remove waste products. Answer, produce enzymes. Blood transports nutrients, provides immunity, and removes waste, but it does not produce enzymes. This is done by specific glands and organs. Which white blood cell is primarily involved in fighting parasitic infections? Option A, neutrophils. Option B, eosinophils. Option C, monocytes. Option D, basophils. Answer, eosinophils. Eosinophils plays a key role in combating parasitic infections and are also involved in allergic reactions. Which vitamin is essential for the synthesis of clotting factors? Option A, vitamin C. Option B, vitamin B12. Option C, vitamin K. Option D, vitamin A. Answer, vitamin K. Vitamin K is essential for the synthesis of clotting factors in the liver, which are necessary for proper blood coagulation. Which of the following is a characteristic of sickle cell anemia? Option A, shortened lifespan of red blood cells. Option B, overproduction of red blood cells. Option C, presence of extra white blood cells. Option D, excessive bleeding. Answer, shortened lifespan of red blood cells. Sickle cell anemia causes red blood cells to become abnormally shaped, leading to their premature destruction and causing anemia. What is the primary role of hemoglobin in red blood cells? Option A, regulate blood pressure. Option B, fight infections. Option C, carry oxygen from the lungs to the tissues. Option D, regulate fluid balance. Answer, carry oxygen from the lungs to the tissues. Hemoglobin binds to oxygen in the lungs and releases it in tissues that need it, playing a vital role in oxygen transport. Which blood vessel carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart? Option A, pulmonary artery. Option B, pulmonary vein. Option C, aorta. Option D, superior vena cava. Answer, pulmonary vein. The pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood from the lungs back to the left atrium of the heart. The main function of white blood cells is to: Option A, transport oxygen. Option B, fight infections. Option C, maintain blood pressure. Option D, regulate body temperature. Answer, fight infections. White blood cells protects the body from infections by identifying and destroying harmful microorganisms and abnormal cells. Blood volume in an average adult human is approximately: Option A, 1 liter. Option B, 5 liters. Option C, 10 liters. Option D, 15 liters. Answer, 5 liters. The average adult has about 5 liters of blood circulating in their body, although this can vary based on factors such as body size and gender. Which of the following is true about platelets? Option B, they help form blood clots. Option C, they carry oxygen. Option D, they fight infections. Answer, they help form blood clots. Platelets are essential for blood clotting. They gather at the site of injury and form a clot to prevent blood loss. The blood type of a person with anti-A antibodies and anti-B antibodies in their plasma is: Option A, type A. Option B, type B. Option C, type AB. Option D, type O. Answer, type O. Type O blood has no A or B antigens on the red blood cells, and its plasma contains both anti-A and anti-B antibodies. Which of the following best describes the role of the spleen in the blood system? Option A, produces red blood cells. Option B, stores platelets. Option C, filters and removes old red blood cells. Option D, regulates blood pressure. Answer, filters and removes old red blood cells. The spleen filters blood, removing old and damaged red blood cells and recycling iron. Which of these blood components is involved in transporting nutrients such as glucose and amino acids? Option A, plasma. Option B, erythrocytes. Option C, platelets. Option D, leukocytes. Answer, plasma. Plasma is the liquid component of blood, and it transports nutrients, hormones, and waste products throughout the body. The term leukopenia refers to Option A, high white blood cell count. Option B, low white blood cell count. Option C, high red blood cell count. Option D, low red blood cell count. Answer, low white blood cell count. Leukopenia is a condition where there is an abnormally low number of white blood cells, leading to increased susceptibility to infections. Which type of white blood cell is most abundant in the bloodstream? Option A, lymphocytes. Option B, monocytes. Option C, eosinophils. Option D, neutrophils. Answer, neutrophils. Neutrophils are the most abundant white blood cells, playing a primary role in fighting bacterial infections. What is the function of fibrin in blood clotting? Option A, inhibit clot formation. Option B, form the meshwork that traps blood cells to form a clot. Option C, transport oxygen. Option D, stimulate red blood cell production. Answer, form the meshwork that traps blood cells to form a clot. Fibrin forms a mesh-like structure that traps platelets and red blood cells, helping to form a stable blood clot. Don't forget. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.